rain by step, rain by step. I walk outside, the sky is breathing gray. Every drop lands slow, won't fade away. Rain by step, I feel it on my skin. Cold runs deep, but it pulls me in. Feet on pavement, rhythm in the street. Every heartbeat syncs with what I need. Clouds above, but I'm not alone. In the chill, I find a tone. Cold and quiet, drifting through. Every drop feels something new. Step by rays, I turn my face. Sunlight pours in golden waves. Hot and alive, it fills my soul. Where the rain wants to control. Cold and hot, I feel it all. Seasons shift, but I don't fall. Do you want a soup or popsicle? Life's a balance, simple, beautiful. Morning breaks, the clouds divide. Warmth arrives, no need to hide. Step by rays, it wraps around. Every shadow leaves the ground. Heat on skin, a different song. Where I stand is where I belong. From the storm into the light, both feel real, both feel right. Cold to warm, the change is true. Every side is part of you. Step by rays, I turn my face. Sunlight pours in golden waves. Hot and alive, it fills my soul. Where the rain wants to control. Cold and hot, I feel it all. Seasons rise and seasons fall. Do you want a soup or popsicle? Every choice is cyclical. Rain by step, I breathe it in. Step by rays, I feel again. Cold like memory, sharp and clear. Hot like life, it pulls me near. Two extremes, but both are mine. Different ends of the same line. Step by rays and rain by step. Every feeling that I've kept. Cold and hot, they intertwine. Every moment by design. Do you want a soup or popsicle? Simple words, but philosophical. In the rain or in the sun, feel it all, become one.